As mentioned in the previous lesson, you can add images and graphics to a project. You can drag them from the project panel into the timeline. By default, still images are given a duration of 5 seconds, but you can use the selection tool to shorten or lengthen the duration. You can also adjust an image's position on the screen by double-clicking the image in the program monitor. Handles will appear around the image. You can click and move the image. You can also click on one of the handles to resize the image. In this example, there was a video background for the image. But if you're using an image without video in the background and the image doesn't take up the full screen, the empty space around it could result in an error when exporting the video. To avoid this, put a clip of black video in the video track below the image.